What's going on? I don't want this. I can't take it. Who would have thought that I would be a workout girl? I'm feeling very unmotivated. Hi, welcome back to another weekly vlog. I have something very exciting that was just waiting outside for me. Our first ever time trying Marley's spoon. I'm so excited. This is going to be our dinners for this week. So we've only ever tried HelloFresh before, so I'm assuming it'll all be sort of the same. First up, we have a low-cal lemon chicken and Greek salad, pork parmesan meatball, smoky pork and capsicum tacos, yum, fast pork sloppy joe burgers, and last but not least, chimichurri beef rump steaks. I am so excited for all of these. Did you end up seeing what meals? 15 delicious reds for only $135. Do you need 15 reds? So surprise, surprise, we have another issue with my car. It wouldn't start. We've just taken the dog to the oval and we came back, it wouldn't start, and as we were trying to turn the key to get it to start, the entire key snapped. Let me show you. So yeah, that's not ideal. Excuse my whole appearance, having a shocking skin day, just a shocking day in general. But one great thing to come out of today was we got to pick up my car and it's working. If you're a car nerd or you want to know about cars, it was basically the whole barrel that like the key goes into where you turn it to turn it on, like the ignition, that was seized up, or like it just wasn't working or something. So yeah, when we turned the key actually snapped off. Like that's how stuck the barrel was. So they had to get in there. Apparently taking it out was so much harder than putting it back in. So yeah, these mechanics were so great. And the turnaround time was less than a week. Rowan has the best boss. Like he just knows everyone in the town. And we are so lucky that we were able to get this part of the car fixed so quickly. So yeah, I'm just so happy that I have my car back. Hopefully there are no more problems with it, but knowing this car, there probably will be. But for now, it's good. Anyway, that's my little piece of good news for the day. Hi. I haven't spoken to you pretty much all week, and it's because I'm feeling very unmotivated to film anything. I just feel a bit drained. I think after my really huge big week a couple weeks ago, I feel like my life just isn't worth vlogging, which is so silly because I want to look back at like the mundane parts of my life, and yeah, I don't know, I feel like my life is now so uneventful after that massive week. And I don't know how to come back from that. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just feeling very unmotivated. I feel like I'm not doing anything worth vlogging about. Which is so silly because the people that I watch on YouTube, they literally just vlog like what they got at the grocery shop and what they're thinking about that day, and like watching TV, reading books, like just regular everyday things, like it's nothing extraordinary, and they're my favorite types of vlogs to watch. But when it comes to me, I don't know, I feel like I just need to be doing more. I'm not doing stuff, like I'm very busy. Like it's busy at my work at the moment, it's busy in the house with a new puppy and everything. Like it's not like I'm just sitting around doing nothing, but I feel like it would get super repetitive if I just constantly like filmed my dogs or filmed like the morning routine or the night routine of just like the mundane parts of life at the moment. Like right now I'm literally just parked outside the shops and I just need to buy a USB stick, some frozen mango and some juice. Like that's so boring. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I need to start thinking of some videos that actually have a point. I don't know. I really love watching weekly vlogs and just the mundane stuff that people get up to, but I'm not feeling very motivated with just filming what I'm up to. Anyway, there's my little rant that nobody asked for and someone just pulled up right in front of me and can see the camera, so I'm gonna go. Bye.
Cut the cord. Are we human? I'm gonna try and it's somewhere to begin. Doc told me to travel, but there's COVID on the planes, and I'll drink alcohol till my friends come home for Christmas, and I'll back and I love Vermont, but it's the season of the sticks, and
Hi, can I please have one slice of banana bread toasted? Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you, you too.
Thanks,
Thank you, you too.
Intertwined in a car's dirty backseat. Maybe that ain't such a bad.
God, I can't reach it.
And it's been a long.
Oh my god, this is embarrassing. I've just come to do one of my favorite things, and that is to sit in a car wash. I just love how peaceful it feels in my car right now. Hi. Oh, hello. Coming up, Cosmo? Alright, gentle. Be nice. Don't eat my banana bread. Please? Alright, last time you got into the shopping, you bit into the butter. Okay? Maybe we don't do that again. Okay, both in the back. Pop in the back. Hey, Cosmo, back up. Let him in. Wait, let him in. Oh my god, they're so mean to each other sometimes. Alright, you boys are being watched, so you better be good. Were you boys on your best behaviour? Oh, thank you for watching them for me. So whenever I go to fill my car up, I always like to get a little fun drink. And today's fun drink is the passion fruit flavour of this Sodally prebiotic natural soda from Remedy. And I saw the little Remedy logo up here and I just all of a sudden trusted it because the kombucha that Remedy does is really, really good. And so I thought I would try this little natural passion fruit soda water. Let's give it a go. If you're not tapping your can, I don't trust you. Every single time you have a canned drink, must tap. So it doesn't explode everywhere, you know? I think my camera is slipping. That just goes to prove how hot it is today. My camera has the best grip, like the bottom of this tripod has a really good grip, and it was just slipping. So every surface is just like hot and slippery and sweaty. Anyway, cheers. Ooh. Oh my god, yum, that's refreshing. That's it tastes like pasito, which obviously is a passion fruit drink, but yeah, wow, it's like it kind of tastes like a seltzer, but obviously there's no alcohol in it, just like the fresh, light fizz taste of it. Yum. It's got no sugar in this as well. It's also so nice when you can actually read the ingredients. I know that sounds a bit silly, but sometimes you just can't read the ingredient words, and obviously if you can't read them, it obviously means that they're like chemical that you don't really see in everyday life. But everything in this is literally carbonated water, apple cider vinegar, plant-based sweeteners, natural passion fruit flavour, and natural turmeric extract. And that's all that's in this. Love the packaging too. I'm a sucker for good packaging. But yeah, drink, 10 out of 10. But anyway, I am sweating today. I think they said it's gonna be 39. I thought the heat wave was over. We're in March. What's going on? Give me some cooler weather. I don't want this 40 degrees anymore. I can't take it. I'm gonna close up all the windows, turn the aircon on, shut all the curtains, So it's gonna be really, really dark in here, but it's gonna be so nice and cold, and I'm so excited for it. Also, I just found out that Macca's half toasted my banana bread. Only that side's toasted. So that's a bit disappointing. But you can't go wrong with a Macca's banana bread. I reckon this is the best banana bread. I've tried, no, hear me out. So I used to bake banana bread at Rowan's Grand's house a couple years ago, and it was, I would say it was pretty good banana bread. But every single time I've tried to bake banana bread here in our oven, it's just bad. Like all aspects of it. The inside's bad, the outside's bad, the taste is bad. I don't know what I've done wrong. Like I lived in a van for a year and all of a sudden I just forgot how to bake banana bread. So yeah, anyway, I do absolutely love the taste of Macca's banana bread. Anyway, I'm gonna go cool down. Where are the boys? Oh, there's Cosmo. Where's Ziggy? Oh, there he is. You can't even see him. Hi. Hi, Ziggy. Oh, what's on your nose? You gotta sneeze it out. Hi, Cosmo. So it's 6 o'clock in the afternoon. I had the sweetest craving I've ever had. So I came and got myself an M&M McFlurry with hot fudge topping. And I'm so excited to dig into this. I don't know what is going on with me lately. I'm just so unmotivated. I have the sweetest cravings, but I'm gonna enjoy this. At the moment, we're into a really good workout routine. I'm just drinking my, I always forget what it's called. I keep wanting to say pre-trainer, pre-workout. I'll show you which one we drink. It is so nice and sweet. We just have this one called Disorder. So good. I think we're running a bit low though. But yeah, today we're doing legs. Who would have thought that I would be a workout girl? Who would have thought? I just wish everything in life was this sweet. I cannot get enough of sweet things at the moment. I've had this sports bra for so long. It's from Acta. I think I got it like 5 years ago. And then these little shorts are just from Cotton On. Yeah, I'm just rambling because I kind of don't want to go out there, but I kind of do because we've just made a workout playlist where we've both added songs to it. And I think it's just going to be such a good workout. Anyway, chat later. Oh my god, I've just looked out the window and the sky is so pretty. This morning Rowan and I are going to go on a little breakfast date and then a little grocery shop, which will be really fun. I feel like my outfit is just so fun, and today is going to be 24 degrees, which just makes my heart so, so happy. Let's go. So when my car wasn't working the other day, Rowan went and bought me a motorbike helmet. And I went on his bike for a couple of times before my car was fixed, but today we're going to go on a little ride. And this is my cute little helmet. We're going to put the GoPro in here and it's going to be so much fun. All the jewelry's off, the hair is out, the jumper is on, and now I'm just setting up my little GoPro. The last time I used the GoPro, we were in Litchfield National Park, and that just feels like a lifetime ago. Oh my god, this is going to look so funny riding through with a GoPro. No, I'm so excited though. I was a bit scared the first time on the bike, but now it's so much fun.